Yo, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a few of my favorite Google Chrome extensions that I've been using to do some of the most advanced competitor research. Alright, so here is probably one of my absolute favorite product research tools that I just discovered. I actually discovered this product research tool probably about 2 or 3 years ago, but I just discovered the paid version of the tool, which to me personally is like knocks every other tool out of the water. And this tool is called Commerce Inspector. So again, you guys can 100% use the free plan. I'm going to be going over what's in the free and the paid plan for both of them. So this website right here, HiSmile. Let's actually go to this tab. So yeah, HiSmile, here they are right here. This is like a super duper big brand in the United Kingdom. They're like probably one of the #1 teeth whitening brands in the United Kingdom. And if you guys have not checked them out on Instagram, you absolutely need to. Their branding on Instagram is like fucking amazing. I try to like replicate almost everything that they do. Their branding is like it's very well and professionally done. And if I'm not mistaken, like they started off dropshipping too. So the name of this app is called Commerce Inspector, as you guys saw on the first page. So I already have the Google Chrome extension installed. I click on it the same way I would do like a regular Google Chrome extension, and then I can see damn near everything they've done with this store. So here it is. This is on the paid plan. So here everything is right here. But I can see the last time they launched the product was the 5th. I can see the exact theme that they're using. I can just see that their estimated revenue last week was $30,000. And I can see their estimated units sold was 15,000. Another thing that I can see that like is my absolute favorite part is I can see their best-selling product. So this is already one of the top teeth whitening brands in the United Kingdom, and now I can see exactly what they're selling. So now I know like what they've been marketing in order to get up to that top status where you can pull in like $30,000 a week. So here it is right here. Like it looks like what they've been selling the most is this subscription product. So it looks like they sold way more of these than they did anything else. But that leads me to know, so if the gel fill subscriptions, that means that they had to buy a previous product. So if I had to take a guess, I would say that they probably bought, let's say like this kit right here. So it looks like they probably bought this first, and then, but in order to like actually use this like very consistently, you need these gel subscriptions. So what they probably did was, I think their kit is like $50 or $60 or something. So they probably bought the kit at first, but then HiSmile sold them over and over again on these gel fill subscriptions, because you probably need to get a few more every month. So if you guys do have like a store like this where you can base it off of a subscription model, HiSmile has like just showed you that they did $17,000 in sales by only using subscriptions. And then we can see like some of their other products, like teeth whitening pen, all this other stuff that looks really cool. This store is a very hard store to replicate, because everything they do is very branded. So it's not just like a drop shipping store. You can just like plug and play with everything and just add a new app or find a product on AliExpress. We will be going over a store like that, but this particular store is just to show you like everything that this app can do. So like again, we can see like the sales for everything. We can see like the products that they just launched. So you can see like a month ago they actually started launching an apparel. So if you actually have a brand, then like launching apparel for that brand, at least through HiSmile's perspective, might not be a bad idea. And then like the second part that is my absolute favorite about this app is that I can see all of the apps that they are using in their store like right now. Apps in the website's code, they show up. So what this plugin does is it finds all of the apps in the website's code, and then it puts them right here for you. So like literally, if I wanted any of these apps, I click on the button, I install it, and I can pretty much replicate some of the best apps on one of the top selling teeth whitening companies like in the world, pretty much. And this is like everything. So they use Klaviyo for their remarketing, for their email marketing, customer support stuff, everything that they do to actually sell the product. All of this stuff is all right here. And then we already looked at their best selling product. And then let me show you guys, see if it works. This is another super duper dope Chrome extension. This one is called SimilarWeb. Now you guys have probably heard of SimilarWeb. I think they have commercials and stuff on TV. Pretty much you can use this to find the analytics of other of websites. So I will let you guys know in perspective. They did right around 300,000 monthly views. I did 200,000 monthly views, and this is what like a terrible conversion rate. So I did 200,000 monthly views with like a 1.5% conversion rate on a good day, and then I did over $80,000, just about $80,000 in sales. So you can like take a guess that they did like almost triple that. You can just kind of just take a guess on what how much sales they're making, and I'm more than positive their conversion rate is way better than mine. So then you can see like the bounce rate, so how many people visited the site and then left, which this is actually a really good number. When people come to like the website, how many pages do they look at? They usually look at 2 or 3 pages, which typically if they're only looking at 3, that means they look at the product, the add to cart, and then the checkout page. Again, you can see their monthly visits, and then about how long it takes for someone to be. So it looks like their bounce rate. People who do actually bounce, they don't stay on the website very long. They read a couple things and they just dip off. But to show you guys something that you can actually do to, excuse me, something you guys can actually do to start replicating into your dropshipping store, this store right here is called Blue Crate. If you guys do not know what Blue Crate is, go to Facebook, stop watching this video right now, go to Facebook, type in Blue Crate, and they will show you guys how to actually make a good looking product video. Blue Crate is one of the best drop shipping companies that I know for sure, has like real full-time employees, and they are absolutely amazing at making really good videos. So here it is right here. This is, again, we're just gonna go like the same thing we did last time. So because I'm on this is what it looks like to be on the free plan. So you can't see as much. You can't see the sales. You can see what products they've launched. So recently, they drop a lot of gag products. So like you can see like the personalized slides. This tool right here on the free version, whenever you go to a store like Blue Crate, who's like probably testing 3 or 4 products at least a month, what you can do, like one of my favorite things to do, is that I can go here and I can see what products they're about to test. So if I ever wanted to get the jump on like a winning product, I would go to a store that's known for finding tons and tons of winning products, look at the product that they plan on testing or that they just tested or like about to test, drop them into my store, create a really good video, and pretty much blow them out of the water before they even get a chance to sell the product. So that's like a product research hack, I guess you can call it. Again, like you can still see the apps on the free version, and you can also see the best selling, just like another really cool feature. So like Blue Crate, again, like they do tons and tons in revenue, and we can see like the animal paw socks are like the best selling product. Now, how much they sold, like we would actually have to be on the paid plan. So here we go here. So I'm just gonna click subscribe onto the store. Then now what it'll allow me to do is, well, not yet, but in a couple hours, what it'll allow me to do is everything I just did with Hot Smile. So I'll be able to look at everything, look at all of their sales, look at how they estimated how much they did in revenue. And because this is a drop shipping store, I can pretty much recreate that exact same model. That is probably one of the like most badass things about this app, is because it allows you to be able to see what's already working and then recreate that for your store. And then here is another app. This is like out of the 3, this is actually my least favorite one, to be honest. I really don't like this one that much, just because it requires you to use AliExpress as a fulfillment agency. But I like it. I personally still use it just for research purposes. So this right here, guys, and this is like because it's so far outside of my niche, I'll feel free to like share you guys with this product, and shout out Leon Green, who actually put me on this product. But this is like a product to get ready for Christmas. So right now is the perfect time to start selling products to get ready for Christmas for. This is like if you ever wrapped like a Christmas gift before, you know that like the sides always get messed up, or whenever you try to cut it with regular scissors, it doesn't end up even and it just messes up everything. So this right here, it like actually allows you to cut, I don't know if you guys can see, but like right here, there's like a blade. It allows you to cut very, very clean into like a Christmas wrap, and it allows you to like actually fold everything a whole lot better when you're wrapping your presents. So this right here is a product that is 100% worth testing. And the reason how I know it's worth testing is because of this app right here. It's called AliUp. So ALI and then just up. And I can see like the seller rating. I can see how much the price fluctuates. And then I can see you used to be able to see like how much the product is selling, but you can just use regular AliExpress for that. You can see this is about how many orders they've done this month, and of course, as it gets closer and closer to Christmas, the more and more this app will go up. So here it is right here, guys. I can see that the price barely moves at all, which is obviously a good sign for me, so that my margins almost never change. You can, on AliExpress, usually you can have a little bit better seller rating, but this isn't bad. So you can, so what I pretty much, if I was going to use AliExpress as a supplier, I just found somebody on here who's like not really bad. They don't change their prices very much, and their seller rating is pretty decent. So if I wanted to start drop shipping this product, at least from AliExpress, then I would like absolutely know that this is the right way to go. All right, I hope you guys really found a ton of value from that video. Those were my top 3 Google Chrome extensions for drop shipping that allow me to find what another store is doing and then replicate it, import that back into my store. Again, guys, this has allowed me to like scale up a ton just by being able to replicate what other big stores are doing. If you guys do plan on getting the first app that I showed you, the Commerce Inspector tool, the way it works is that you sign up for like a $1 plan, and it allows you access to 3 different stores. If you guys sign up through the link below, what will happen is that we'll both get access to another store. So instead of you guys paying $1 and getting 3 stores, you'll pay $1 and you get 4 stores if you use that access link below. And outside of that, if you guys have any questions, feel free to drop down a comment. If you really found any value from this video, please drop a like below and shoot me a message on Instagram if you guys have any like really advanced or personal questions. Again, I respond to everybody, so thank you guys so much, and I really hope you guys have an amazing day.